How to remove line account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to remove line account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click this three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy. Sorry, not settings, click this one on your profile here and then click edit profile and go down until you find links and click edit, and then just go to your line account and click remove and then save. And that's how to remove your line account on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.